Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab meat soup with an easy guide. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of crab meat, either fresh or frozen, along with 1 cup of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of white pepper. Finally, chop 1 green onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic to add a wonderful aroma and taste to our soup. Now, let's craft the flavorful broth that forms the heart of our soup. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté your minced garlic and the white parts of your chopped green onion for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper to build a rich and aromatic base. With our broth simmering beautifully, it's time to add the star ingredient and thicken our soup. Gently add the 8 ounces of crab meat to the broth. In a separate small bowl, mix 1/4 cup of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of cold water to create a slurry. Slowly stir this cornstarch mixture into the soup until it reaches your desired thickness. Finally, whisk 1 egg and slowly drizzle it into the swirling soup, creating delicate egg ribbons. We're almost done. After adding the egg, let your soup cook for just an additional 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures everything is perfectly heated through. Now, taste your soup and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your preference. For a final touch, garnish your delicious crab meat soup with the vibrant green parts of your chopped green onion. Serve your homemade crab meat soup immediately and savor every warm, comforting spoonful. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.